Wow, what a dramatic makeover. She ended up cutting all of her long hair off into this gorgeous angled bob. She looks absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone doing a DIY haircut. She has the scissors and cuts off her ponytail. And then she does do the other side as well. Now she has some really pretty thick hair. And it looks like she's gonna be doing a shoulder length bob haircut. So pretty. Love the little tousled waves she added as well. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have someone with curly hair getting a makeover. Looks like she's getting some color added with this hair change. Oh, wow. Oh, this is an absolutely glorious red bob hairstyle. I love her natural texture mixed in with the hue, and it is like this really pretty red copper shade. So beautiful. Perfect shade of red for her complexion. Very nice. Next up, we have someone with a bob. Looks like the stylist is doing a nice cut refresh for this one. Looks like he added some bangs going there in the front, really giving that like chic French girl style bob look and feel. Next up, looks like we have a big chop transformation. Stylist cuts off those ponytails. Shaves off the sides and the back. And we have a nice little pixie faded cut style. This one does feature some baby bangs going there in the front. A nice spiky texture throughout. Very cute. And she seems very happy with her new style. Next up, we have someone shaving their head. So she does start things off by cutting a little bit of the hair herself. I like how you can still see the green part of her hair. It looks like she has a little bit of red going there in the back as well. Next up, it looks like we have someone with more of like a shoulder length style. And she switches things up with this gorgeous pixie. This is absolutely flawless. I love the overall shape and layered look that he created with this. And then it also features some nice fringe style bangs going there in the front. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.